And a good Thursday to each and every one of you. Of course, today is the 9th of January, 2020. My name is Jewel. This is J7409 Weather. Folks, we got some very major stuff that is going to be happening. This is the NDFD map. We're just going to let it loop through for you. We have a major storm that's going to impact the central and eastern U.S. tomorrow into the weekend. A major multi-hazard storm is forecast to impact the plains and the Midwest by tomorrow, shifting to the East Coast by early Sunday. Now, severe thunderstorms, damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes are all forecast across parts of the South. Heavy rain and flooding are possible from the plains to the Mississippi and Ohio valleys, and snow and ice is going to lead to dangerous travel from the plains to the New England area. Please be aware, please be safe as we continue on. I've been telling you guys for days that all of this week, no severe weather until Friday. I hit it on the head. This is what it is. Here's the categorical outlook right here. Coming up tomorrow, severe thunderstorms are expected by midday Friday into early Saturday morning from eastern Oklahoma and Texas into the lower Mississippi Valley. Damaging winds, tornadoes, and isolated large hail are all possible, especially across parts of eastern Texas into Louisiana tomorrow afternoon into the overnight areas, as you can see right in here. If you live in any of these places, you need to be on the outlook of some severe weather. It also extends up into parts of Arkansas, as you can see, and parts of southeastern Oklahoma right in here. The 5% goes all the way up to Illinois, but right in this area, now where you see these dashes, this is where hail is very possible. The whole outline of red at 30%, this is where you could have tornadoes, damaging winds, and the majority of the hail should be located in these areas. But these severe storms can break out anywhere from Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. Please watch your skies and stay safe. Of course, this is the GFS model, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. I've checked the European model as well as other models this morning, and they seem to be in agreement. Maybe the timing might be a little off for maybe 6 hours here or 12 hours there, but the events should take place. Now, this is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Let me turn it on and just let it roll through. Now, this heavy rain and flash flooding and severe weather is going to ramp up tomorrow in the central U.S. ahead of this developing low-pressure system coming in. Now, the light snow and the freezing rain are going to be possible for portions of the plains, Mississippi Valley, and the Great Lakes. When it comes to temps, colder than average for the west coast to the northern plains and much warmer than average in the eastern half of the nation. And heavy snow once again is possible in the higher elevations of the northwest tomorrow into Saturday. If you're on the east coast, in these areas, it's going to remain warm for a while, but on the eastern side of my state, and as I go, once this rain starts, we're not going to see the sun for days. Once it starts, it's going to rain just about every day and every night for days and days. Keep this in mind if you have anything outside that you need to do. I've been telling you, as you see this ice progress along throughout time, this ice was coming. I've been telling you this all along. Please prepare now if you are in any of these areas. Now, an upper level trough over the western half of the U.S. is going to strengthen tonight and tomorrow, and additional energy comes in. Now, a frontal system at the surface is going to move slowly through tomorrow as a trough develops before both of these features now are going to move eastward this weekend. That's going to cause awful problems. And moisture from the Gulf of Mexico is going to flow into the vicinity of the fronts, leading to increasing rain chances today, and especially tomorrow for the southern plains into much of the Mississippi and Ohio valleys. After rainfall of up to an inch in those areas today and tonight, well, the rainfall totals are going to move on up 3 to 5 inches tomorrow and tomorrow night in a swath from far northeastern Texas to eastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. Flash flood warnings are already up. I showed you this if you follow me each day. Days ago, they've already had them up, preparing for the systems coming through. Flood and flash flood watches are in effect across much of Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana ahead of this rain before it even gets there. Now, it's looking like we do have this enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow, and it's going to also be in parts of the southern plains to the lower Mississippi Valley. So please be aware. Now, on the backside of this system, light to moderate snow is expected in the Intermountain West and Rockies today. Spreading eastward tonight and tomorrow, a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain is possible in portions of southern and central plains into the middle Mississippi Valley and northeastward into the Great Lakes region tomorrow, right on into Saturday. Now, after the cold front drops, the temperatures are going to drop. Freezing rain amounts of over 1/10 of an inch are currently looking like what the forecast is coming up to for parts of Missouri into southeastern Iowa. So, folks, this is what it's looking like. I hope everybody's ready for this. Please watch your skies if you are in these areas of severe weather coming up. Please keep up with your local forecast and these places of ice that's going to be, as well as snow. There is that chance of hail, damaging downdraft winds, and tornadoes coming up by tomorrow. Peace, love, and kindness to all. I love you so much. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. I'm working on some material. Hopefully we can have a live show coming up maybe by the weekend, if not before. I love you all, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this information on your social media and with your family and friends. I love your comments. Don't forget to do that, and the thumbs up. May each of you have a blessed day. Thanks so much for watching.